Hey, be honest with me for a second. Do you ever sit down to study for hours, but when you're done, you have no idea what you actually accomplished? Or maybe you're studying so much, but your grades aren't improving, and you're wondering, am I even studying the right way? If that's you, keep watching because I'm about to show you exactly how to fix this. Here's the thing, most students make three big mistakes. Mistake number one, they study without tracking their time, so they feel busy, but they're not actually productive. Mistake number two, they don't know which subjects need more attention. They spend equal time on everything, even the stuff they already understand. Mistake number three, they burn out. They study for 4 hours straight with no breaks. Their brain gets foggy and they retain almost nothing. Sound familiar? Yeah, I've been there too. But here's the good news. I created the Study Time Tracker Notion template to solve all of these problems. Here's what makes it different. First, it has a built-in Pomodoro timer system. You study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. This keeps your brain sharp and prevents burnout. No more marathon study sessions that leave you exhausted. Second, you get daily and weekly trackers. You can see exactly how much time you're spending on each subject. So if you're struggling in math, you'll know you need to dedicate more time there. Third, it has goal and habit tracking. Want to study 3 hours a day or finish 5 chapters this week? You can set those goals and actually see your progress. And trust me, checking off those goals feels amazing. Plus the dashboard is super simple and beautiful. No complicated setup, you just open it and start tracking. A system that actually supports you every single day. The link is in the description. Grab it now and